In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Supabase MCP to Claude Code. Whether you're a developer looking to enhance your project or just curious about integrating these tools, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Claude's website. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL claude.ai. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the main interface of Claude, which is a powerful AI-driven platform tailored for creating and managing your projects. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features for this integration. Now, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on the Customize option. This is your gateway to tailoring Claude to better fit your project's needs. The customization menu is where you can tweak settings and add new functionalities, making it a very useful tool for optimizing your workflow. Once you've opened the customization section, the next step is to click on Connectors. Connectors are essentially bridges that allow Claude to communicate with other software and platforms, expanding its capabilities significantly. This is where you'll manage all your third-party integrations and ensure that everything runs smoothly together. Now, you're going to want to add a new connector. Look for the plus icon within the Connectors section and click on it. After that, select Browse Connectors. This will open a list of available connectors that you can integrate with Claude. It's a straightforward process, and browsing through this list can also give you an idea of other tools you might want to integrate in the future. Scroll through the list of connectors until you find Supabase. Supabase is a popular open-source Firebase alternative that provides a suite of tools for app developers. Once you've located Supabase in the list, go ahead and click on it. This action will initiate the process of adding Supabase MCP to your Claude setup. Finally, you'll see an option to Connect. Click on it, and the integration process will begin. This might take a moment, as Claude sets up the necessary connections to ensure everything functions seamlessly. Once connected, you'll have access to Supabase's powerful backend features directly from Claude, enabling you to manage databases, authentication, and other backend services efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully added Supabase MCP to your Claude code. This integration will make it easier to manage your applications and projects with the added functionality that Supabase brings. Remember, you can always revisit the connectors section to tweak or add more integrations as your project evolves. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're now ready to leverage the combined power of Claude and Supabase in your projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more detailed documentation or reach out to support. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.